Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have insanely great software on review. It is called Wondr AI, and you will be able to create automatically print-on-demand products and post those on your Shopify or Printify stores. For example, you will choose a workflow to create a cup design, shoe design, backpack design. That workflow will create product automatically, will create design automatically, and will post that product into your shop. And you can schedule that posting. Moreover, you will be able to schedule your social media campaigns to promote your recently created products. Your workflow looks like this. And just to give you an idea, this is the product that I have created using Wondr AI. It is poster. All these 4 pictures were generated by Wondr AI and then automatically posted into Printify store. And another example, I've created my test Shopify store and created another poster here. Again, all these images were generated by Wondr AI, and I think it looks great. So let's move on with features overview. You will be able to automate listings of your products on popular platforms like TikTok Shop, Etsy, Google Shopping. You can use customized workflows to generate and post your products. What else do we have here? Wondr workflows, pre-built ones, premium Shopify themes, AI design automation. And regarding license tiers, you have 3 options. The first one will give you 1,000 operations per month, and I believe it will count all steps in your automations. For example, in this flow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. So to generate one product here, it will consume 9 operations. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the Wondr AI. To start working with application, you can just go to basic workflows. With AppSumo, there will be available premium ones, and you can select what kind of product you would like to launch. For example, I tested frame posters. You can just hit launch product. Then you will be given a scenario builder like this one. It was pre-built already. All you need is just to connect your OpenAPI account with your OpenAPI key. And as well, you will need to connect Printify account. And you can find the details here with their online help. And let's demonstrate to you how easy it is to create and publish your product with Wondr AI. So here it is, my test Shopify store. We have one poster here, and let's run our workflow. So we see we have several steps. On the first step, we are generating actually image with help of OpenAI DALL-E. And then on the next steps, we are generating description for our products, titles, and other text-based information. Then we upload into Printify, creating product and publishing. And that's it. We can see that the flow just finished. Let's go to our Shopify store. Here we are in our admin. We can see the second poster is in process of uploading. So soon it will be published. Just let's wait a few seconds. And by the way, I have connected my Printify account to Shopify, but you can post directly to Printify as well. Alright, we can see our product is published. Let's now refresh our store. And here it is, the second product we just generated. And I think it looks awesome. Yep, That is great. And all prompts you can update as you like. For example, we had pre-built one that gave us those nice posters, but you can find any other prompt building beautiful imagery for your print-on-demand products, for your backpacks, for your t-shirts, whatever you have in mind. And the same is related to generating titles and descriptions for your products. You can update the prompts as you like. And of course, you will have flexibility with your Printify steps as well. For example, here on Publish, we can select Store ID and crowded reviews. This is my Printify store, and my store, it is the one that I have connected to Shopify. So again, you have a lot of flexibility with each step. Alright, so that was a quick review of Wondr AI product. I was really impressed by the quality of this one. I have reviewed a lot of AppSumo products, and this one looks like a solid, established product, which is ready to use, which you can use to build your print-on-demand business. So to get Wondr AI, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.